another sugal na naman kasi day off ni Inday Sugarol dito sa Amerika. So, ano pang gagawin natin, di ba? Magsugal! Ay, nako, Diyos ko, Lord. As long as you have money or an extra money just to do your thing, not really a thing, it's not a good thing, you know. Pagsugal is not a good thing, mga Inday, mga Indoy. So, but if you're happy with it and you have extra money with it, why not? Life is short. If that makes you happy, and then go ahead. As long as don't borrow money at all, just do sugal lang yun. Ayaw lang yun mo pag sugal, guys. Kung wala yun mo kwarta, ayaw yun mo pangutang para lang yun magsugal mo. Kaya it's not really good habit to do it. If you're addicted sa sugal, guys, and then wala kayong pera, that's a bad sign. You will destroy your family, the future of your children, and even yourself, guys. Hirap makabangon pag addicted ka na sa sugal. Kaya kung kaya nyo pang huwag magsugal, kung wala kayong pera, please stop. Don't do sugal if wala kang pera pang susugal. Kasi guys, wala talagang may dulot yung pagsusugal, guys. For me, nagsusugal ako dito sa Amerika not because I want more money, but because it entertained me for being bored at the house every time day off ko, and then yung asawa ko is nasa work. So it's okay for me to go to casino because I have extra money to do it. Okay, I'm not borrowing money, I have an extra money, I still have savings in my bank. So, and I just bring money how much I can lose. So yun, guys. So I make a YouTube channel. At least in the future, magkaka-income ako nito. I'm hoping na sana maybe in a year, 2 years, yung YouTube channel ko is mag-bloom na, guys. So please consider to subscribe my channel and watch my videos, like and share. Please, so that naman may pang-ano na ako, pang extra casino for a bigger bet. Because right now, yung extra money ko is pang low budget lang siya. So not too much entertainment. I know because maliliit lang yung mga pinagtataya ko. Kasi yun lang yung kaya ko. So kung ano lang yung kaya ko, yun lang ginagawa ko. So I'm not like those big gambler people na thousands of dollars na talaga yung ano nila, mga lose nila, yung ginagamit nila sa sugal. No. I'm only in a hundreds, like $100, $200. Okay na sa akin yun. Kasi yun lang yung kaya ko, guys. So, pag na, na ako, lose that day, kung na, ubos na yung $100, $200 ko, so I stop. So, that's it. Pag nanalo ako, good. Extra income naman. So, but, never ako nagsugal ng malalaki talaga, guys. Kasi wala pa ako noon. Pero pag yung YouTube ko, nagkakapera na ako, so, yeah, why not? Let's try that one to make it more entertaining. Kasi yun ang gusto ng mga tao na makikita charging ko ang cellphone. Sana ano tayo, lucky tayo today. Hoping lucky tayo.